still at work, but I'm off the clock. Look at the wind, bro. I'm still waiting my ride. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind, but it's crazy, dude. It's pulling that. But be safe out there driving. I'll see you guys I'll see you guys probably in the next clip. That's crazy, dude. Dude, it's so windy out here, bro. Okay, guys, I made it home. It's super crazy out there. I don't know. This is gonna be the end of the video. I know it's not that much, but it's crazy out there. Like, it's crazy windy. I got some footage for you guys. I don't know if this is gonna be at the beginning of the video or at the end of the video, but I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. That phone number will be down below. My Instagram will be down below. Drop me a follow on there. I would really appreciate it. When I reach 10,000 subs, I'll be probably selling this merch. This is my merch. Man, I need to get a license for that and stuff like that. Man, it's just crazy. I have to working is good, but there's no buts about it. I love my work. I love making money. I love my coworkers. If you're watching this, because I know most of you guys subscribe to me already, but thank you for giving me the work environment. I really love you guys with the bottom of my heart, because you guys are like family to me. You guys are family to me, because I work with you guys all day. So it's been Kyle. I'm grateful I made it home safely, and I hope you guys make it home safely every single day, because it's crazy out there, man. It's crazy, man. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.